Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Carlita again. So hi. So for today's video, I'm gonna react to Beanie interview. Okay, so meron silang guesting sa Monster RX 93.1. Parang kanina lang yon, and nakita ko lang sa TikTok yung mga post. So meron mga 1 minute mga um, highlights ako nakita. So pero syempre hindi natin papatagalit pa na makapag-react tayo at mapanood natin siya ng buo. So, ayun, samahan nyo ako, and kung napapansin nyo, nakakap ako ngayon. Wala lang, ay hindi ko kasi feel yung hair ko ngayon, tsaka ano siya basta hindi siya maganda dito, kaya nag-cap muna ako. So, ayan, and so kanina nasa work ako, nakita ko lang lunch break. Alam ko hindi lunch break kasi yung oras ng live nila. So nakita ko lang nung lunch break yung mga highlights nung interview nila. And as a Mikaya enthusiast, no, so meron tayong mga nakita eksena na nakakakilig. So ayan, let's see kung ano talaga yung context nun. So hindi ko pa kasi nakita parang snippet lang nung interview yung nakita ko. So let's go, samahan niyo ako guys. Naka-mute pala. Hindi ko pala na set muna yung aking headphone. So, ngayon okay na tayo. Ready na tayo. Let's go. Ulitin natin. Yan. So, medyo matagal pa siya, naghihintay pa, naglo-loading pa.
Manila's hottest monster, RX 93.1. You just heard
so
Huntrix
local radio station
here
ba to?
On the deep dish with Aubrey. Now, Huntrix, a lot of us have seen K-pop Demon Hunters basically sealing the honeymoon. But did you guys know that here in the Philippines,
yung DJ, may resemblance siya kay Kiray. Ang cute.
Good, we're all set. We have hunters of our own here in the Philippines who are ready to seal the honeymoon. Big things happening. No need to blink twice, you guys, because we got the nation's girl group with us live here on the station. Beanie.
Yeah.
Hi, guys. Okay, so we're going to be chatting in just a bit, and we're going to be having...
Check natin kung okay. Naka-high quality na pala siya.
A lot of fun, but before that, of course, they are going to be treating us to a very, very special performance. They're going to be performing their newest track, Shaggity, only here on The Monster. So, take it away, girlies.
Oh.
I would highly recommend Monday.com because it can streamline your operations. Entech Philippines.
May performance pala sila.
Do you guys know Shaggity Shaggity Shapopo?
Ano yun?
What's that?
Ang sexy naman ni Mika Lim.
You ain't sicker than me. You might be 4'2", but I'm 1'2", 3". Rotate that body, then touch her feet. Oh my gosh, like OMG. Shaggity Shaggity Shapopo.
Oh, live yan live yan. Baka mamaya sabihin na namang lip sync.
Shaggity Shaggity Shapopo.
Ang cute ng hair ng bangs ni Colette. Hindi naaalis yung tingin ko kay Mika kasi ang sexy ng niya. Hindi naaalis yung tingin ko kay Mika kasi ang sexy ng ano bang tawag dito sa damit niya? Off-shoulder niya. Kasi favorite niya yan eh, di ba? Sinabi niya na parang nung, saan ba yun? Sa Icon yata. Or sa isang interview na favorite niya talaga ang damit is yung off-shoulder. Kaya mapapansin natin, madalas natin siya makita na naka-off-shoulder. Kasi nga, yun yung favorite niya. So, ayun. Then si Aya naman, casual lang. Si Staku, parang ano lang din, casual lang din. Si Colette yung medyo iba, yung outfit niya ngayon with the bangs and the eyeglasses. Yun. Then si Maloy, the usual hairdo and simple lang ni Gwen and Sheena. So and si Master parang binabagayan niya yung outfit ni Colette.
Para makagaya ka basta pag sinimulan ay susundan lang. But I bet you can't dance like this. Watch me snap, now watch me jig. You can't do it like I did. Hot foot rock and drop real quick. Go ahead to the right now.
Rotate your body.
Rotate the body.
Banta.
Oh my god. Who gon' time first? Shaggity shaggity shop up up. Shaggity shaggity shop up up. Shaggity shaggity shop up up.
Nakaupo lang yan ha.
Shop up up. Shaggity shaggity shop up up.
Si Gwen parang parang nasa lang, nasa bahay lang, kasama yung mga tropa.
Now do my dance. I bet you can't do my dance. Now do your dance, do your. Now do your dance. I bet you can't do your dance.
So may,
She's something clap, she's something.
yung style ni Colette, merong
Now I bet you can't keep up.
necktie
She rock and snap, she
sa
rock and
kanyang
snap to me.
bottom.
I bet you won't beat me. Now I bet you
Watch
won't
me.
beat me. Watch me. Shaggity shaggity shop up up. Shaggity shaggity
So
shop up
tomorrow
up.
na pala guys yung
Shaggity, shop up up.
premiere ng music video ng Shaggy D. So aabangan din natin yan 8 p.m. 8 p.m. PH time. So magla-live reaction tayo bukas.
I bet you can't do your dance.
Ang cute ni Master. Si Joanna kasi talagang bagay talaga sa kanya yung public speaking kasi ang ganda ng pagkaka-deliver niya lagi ng mga lines, 'di ba? Para siyang lagi nagbabalita or malinaw siya magsalita, mag-deliver ng yung mga words niya malinaw. So, ayan. And, alam niya na yung, yung pag nagde-deliver siya ng mga words niya or lines niya, yung intonation, alam niya na. Kasi nga, sanay naman siya sa broadcasting or journalism. So, ayun, siguro, dun niya na-develop yung ganong skills. So, yun.
Let's go.
Wow! Ulitin ko lang.
Now I bet you won't beat me. Watch me. Shaggity shaggity shop up up.
Kahit nakaupo sila, kahit nakaupo sila, sabay-sabay pa rin sila dun sa outro na yun.
Now do my dance, do my, now do my dance. I bet you can't do my dance. Now do your dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance. I bet you can't do your dance.
So, ito na nga.
Monster RX-93.
Ayun o, tema.
Let's go.
Yes!
Girlies, once
Kahit
again,
nakaupo,
beating
sabay-sabay
with the
pa rin
latest
talaga.
track, Shaggy only here on the Monster, and that was live, you guys, purely live. Beanie, welcome.
Ang girly ni Mikalim, ang ganda niya.
Oh my gosh, we are so happy to have you here. The station is a buzz. Ang saya lang talaga ng vibes dito, so we are so happy to have you guys live.
Ako rin,
with
sobrang
us.
happy.
Of course, we know that a lot of our monsters already know who you guys are, but for sake of formalities, how about a quick group greeting and maybe individual greetings for members as well?
Sure, 2, 3.
Ba't parang,
Hi, I'm Beanie Gwen.
sorry master.
Monsters.
Sorry,
already know who
Master.
you guys
Ulitin
are,
lang
but
natin.
for sake
Parang
of formalities,
nasa mid
how
ka.
about a quick group greeting and maybe
Nabati yata yung sinabi ko, ang galing niya mag-deliver ng words ng lines.
Hi, I'm
Si Colette, tinawanan
Hi,
siya.
I'm Colette.
Ang nakapansin,
I'm Joanna.
si
I'm
Aya,
Maloy. I'm Stacy.
si Sheena and si
Hello,
Colette.
Maya.
Ah,
Bite it, sip it, drink it. Just add zero. Just add zero.
Get up to 24-hour long-lasting fragrance of French romance with Enchantour.
Hi, I'm Mika.
ang girly
And
ni
we
Mika
are
talaga.
Monster.
Dito sa interview
We are
nila.
monster. Hi, I'm Aubrey. The joke lang nakisama sa greeting, eh, no? But hi, guys. Welcome to the Deep Dish. How are you guys? Kumusta na kayo?
Yes! Salamat po. Nagtanong sa atin kung tayo. We are happy and actually kababalik lang po namin from our 3-week
Wow.
break. So now we are
Well-deserved break.
well-rested, recovered, and ready to work again.
Lovely.
Yes.
Laban agad. Wait, a 3-week break? That's crazy. Well, you guys did just come from your Beanieverse World Tour as well. So, much deserved. Curious ako, how do you guys usually like relax kapag dating sa mga ganito?
Siguro, me time. Oh, parang may
Tama.
kanya-kanya kaming lakad. Kasi, yun nga, pag sa work, kami-kami na yung magkasama. So,
Ay, yeah.
gusto namin parang outside work, mayroon kaming sarili naming world. So, parang may excitement pa rin kapag nagsama-sama kami together.
Ang taray.
Yeah.
Self-time.
Tama yung sinabi ni Malay, no? Maganda yung pag-break nila sa work is ibang tao naman yung nakakasama nila or nakakasalamuha. Kasi parang meron silang ibang mundo, no, na hindi lang sa loob ng Bini. 'Di ba? Parang nagiging sila pa rin sila. Nagiging si Maloy, hindi siya si Bini Maloy kapag break nila. Hindi siya si Bini Sheena kapag break nila. Hindi siya si Bini Mika kapag break nila. So, kapag break nila sa work is nagiging sila mismo. Si Sheena, Colette, Aya, Stacy, and the rest of the girls, nagiging sila kasi nga hindi na kumbaga hindi na nauuwi or na dadala sa outside work yung ambience or yung environment dun sa work. Kasi nga, ibang tao naman yung nakakasalamuha nila, which is good. Kasi nga, para hindi lang bini yung buhay nila, meron din silang buhay outside work. And syempre, kailangan din nilang makasalamuha ng ibang tao. So, ayun. Pero meron namang ibang members na mas komportable sila na makasama yung isang members kasi nga, gano'n na sila ka-close. 'Di ba? Parang katulad ni Gwen and Sheena na yung may break sila na magkasama sila nag-travel. Kasi nga, gano'n sila ka-close. Same with Aya and Mika na magkasama sila so parang ilang araw sa Siargao with other friends which is good naman kasi hindi lang naman silang dalawa. So ayun, tama yung sinabi ni Maloy na maganda talaga na mayroong outside world aside sa Bini. So ayun.
Break muna tayo. Ganun. But yeah, welcome. And it has been a hot minute since you guys chatted with the Monster. I believe the last time na nag-interview kayo dito was during the pandemic 2021.
Wow, tagal
Online
na.
tayo nun, eh, no? And that was like, mga baby beanie pa kayo.
Baby beanie.
Kasi bago pa kayo sa scene. And now you
Baby
guys
pa
are like,
talaga sila.
beanie.
So ngayon binibini
So,
na.
have you guys ever, like, has it ever hit you how far you've come from then? Kasi that was like,
Yeah.
many years ago na. Tapos ngayon, you guys are the nation's girl group.
Parang
Actually
sarap
po,
pakinggan ng
simula
ano
nung
no.
nag-debut kami up
The
until
Nation's
now,
Girl
kung
Group.
anumang achievements meron po kami ngayon. Never po namin siyang alam niyo po yun, parang nilagay sa utak namin na
Oh, yeah.
ganito na kami.
Mm-mm.
Kasi po, palagi po namin nire-remind yung isa't isa na, uy, hindi pwedeng lalaki ang ulo, dapat humble lang palagi kasi hindi naman po ito parang forever na nangyayari. Malay mo parang mabilis po kasi
Feeling ko somehow nafe-feel na nila na nagbabago na talaga yung buhay nila, no. Nung sinabi ni Colette na hindi nila inilalagay sa ulo nila yung mga achievements nila kasi iniiwasan nilang lumaki yung ulo nila. I think somehow they feel it, no, na nandun na sila, na yung mga pinaghirapan nila nagpi-paid off na, and ang maganda lang talaga is surrounded sila ng mga taong laging nagre-remind sa kanila na maging humble, stay grounded, and kumbaga, wag nang sayangin kung ano yung meron sila ngayon at wag nilang hahayaan na kainin sila nung mga overwhelming na mga bagay na nangyayari sa kanila ngayon. So, ayun. And nakikita ko naman sa Bini kung ano sila before na napapanood natin sa Kumu, sa mga training nila, ganun pa rin silang yun. Nagbago lang yung personality nila, mas naging confident, mas naging fashionista, mas naging marunong na gradually na ganito, sa mga ganitong interview, no? Kasi before, syempre, nakakulong lang naman sila sa training house nila, sa Bini house nila, and luckily, nabigyan sila ng chance to show their talent. So, ayun. And I hope, sabi nga natin, Bini hanggang dulo sana ganun pa rin sila. And I'm sure, ganun sila. Kasi, maganda yung environment na meron sila, yung mga support system nila, family, and pati yung management, no? Yung mga tao na nakapaligid sa kanila is talagang binabantayan at inaalagaan sila. So, ayun.
Dumating sa amin. So baka po sa isang iglap, parang mabilis
Tama.
din po mawala. So dapat grateful lang po kami palagi.
For sure, for sure. And that is such a beautiful mindset to have, you guys. Like, especially for a group na nasa level nyo na ngayon. That is honestly really beautiful to know na may ganun pa rin kayong mindset. Now, I'm sure you guys have met so many fans. Again, kakagaling nyo lang sa world tour. And I'm sure you have met a lot of fans whose messages na talagang very kind, very impactful sa inyo. But I'm kind of curious, has there been a fan interaction na talagang parang unforgettable sa inyo?
Well,
I think
we've
yung
had
si Mavis,
a lot of memorable
pinaka-memorable
fan
sa kanila.
interaction. But for me, I would say that's when we went to New York pa yun. There was this
Yeah.
kid.
Mavis.
Yeah, her name is Mavis. And yun, she went there with her mom and she was supposed to have dialysis, if I'm not mistaken.
Chemo.
No, chemo actually.
Oh
Chemo
my
on that
gosh.
day.
Surgery na, brain
Yes,
surgery.
and then, but yeah, fortunately she got to watch our concert that day and we got to meet her, so it was so nice.
Oh
And
my
she's such an adorable kid, the way she talks, and she was giving everybody
Yeah.
hugs, so it was a very intimate and memorable time.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
I could imagine.
Yeah, nakita ko yung clip na yun with Bini with Mavis, then tinignan ko yung TikTok account nung kid, no, ni Mavis. Grabe yung impact sa kanya ng Bini. So, to someone na merong pinagdadaanan, malaking tulong yung kahit papaano napapangiti siya. Katulad nung kinuwento ni Aya na magkakaroon siya ng operation, parang ganon. At ayun, luckily, nabigyan siya ng opportunity to watch Bini live sa concert. And na-meet niya pa isa-isa yung mga girls. And sa bata or sa ganung edad, grabe lang yung happiness nun kasi napaka-genuine nun. And nakita ko rin na talagang gusto niya yung Bini and napapasaya siya ng Bini. So, I'm so happy na merong Bini na nagbibigay sa atin ng kahit papaano smile in our faces, no? So, ayun. Tama si Aya. Yun lang din yung naisip ko na part ng world tour nila na meet nila na fans or memorable experience sa mga fans nila.
Sweet
Yeah.
Nolan. That is absolutely crazy. You know, let's talk a little bit more of your experience noong Beanieverse as a total. Now, you guys, ang dami niyong napuntahan. 5 countries, 16 cities, all in the span of 3 months. Musta naman? How is the experience like?
Wild. Ano po, tiring, yes, pero super fulfilling siya for us kasi every city had its own energy.
Right.
Tapos talagang sarap sa puso makita yung mga blooms namin. And some of them have been with us po kasi since pre-debut era. So may mga countries
Parang-
na bumalik kami na pang second
parang
time na
sinabi
namin.
nila ang
so talagang
pinaka-wild
tanda pa rin
daw
namin yung mga
na-
mukha nila. And ang saya lang na hindi na
na
same faces
city
yung
is
nakikita namin.
New
Diba?
York.
Ang dami na. As
Yun.
in, parang actually ako
Comment kayo kung
pinaka-nagulat
mali
din
ako
sa
or
London,
kung
na
ano man yung
akala ko may manonood sa
pinaka-wild
atin
na
sa London. Tapos
audience dun sa world
pagtingin
tour
namin,
nila.
Grabe, one of
Ano ba yun? Ang daming
Nasty.
So let's support.
Nakakagigil. Dahil sa new Surf Gentle Fresh Factor.
Skip na muna natin.
Nakakagigil
one of the loudest crowds. So, yun.
Oh my gosh. And how many artists can say na, oh, we were able to like perform in London. Tas ang
Ano ba
warm
yung
ng
nahanap ni
reception sa
Joanna?
amin. So that is absolutely, I don't know, amazing to say the least. Is there like a city, a country na nabisitahan nyo na talagang siguro unforgettable din?
Dubai?
Dubai?
Kasi yun po yung first live performance namin. Like,
yung
ever.
first leg cramp
live
ni
performance
Aya.
namin.
Memorable talaga.
2021.
First pandemic ba?
2021.
This is crazy. Now, let's talk about some behind-the-scenes stuff that could have happened behind the tour. Was there any funny or siguro memorable moments, while preparing for this tour, or kaya when you guys were like going from one country to another?
Ayan, sumagot na si
For
Sheena.
me, one of the memorable memories talaga nung meron kaming stopover na city. Like, wala kaming stop doon, pero kasi
Hindi tayo nag-show.
Hindi kami nag-show doon, pero nag-stopover kami doon. Tapos, kasi rest day siya, so parang usapan namin sa bus, tulog lang tayo, girls, rest tayo. Tapos pagdating sa hotel, tara labas.
Ayun yata yung naligaw sila.
Music museum muna kami.
Na ano,
Cleveland,
na
Cleveland.
ligaw sila kapag
Cleveland
uwi
Museum. Tapos,
sa hotel nila.
Ay, hindi pumasok si Bebe kasi lowbat na siya. Kaya, actually fun fact,
1%
hindi
na lang
yata alam ng Blooms kasi nag-post ako ng edit nun. Tapos,
Nag-post ka ng edit?
parang video edit lang, nag-vlog lang ako nun. Halos wala si Bebe sa first half kasi nasa labas lang siya, hinihintay niya kami. And chill lang siya. So, kasi siya. Perfect. Nag-charge siya para sa zoo.
Ito yung pumunta sila sa zoo.
Ay, galing.
Sobrang laki kasi ng zoo, hindi na laki ng zoo.
Pero siyang isang city talaga.
Wow.
Malaki pa sa Isabela.
Real.
Ang laki ng
Ang weird. Ang crazy.
Nawala ka nun.
Grabe naman, sobrang laki.
Who usually comes up with the idea na, oh, tara labas tayo. Sino yung pasimuno nun?
Wow. Outgoing talaga.
Sobrang lapit.
Sabi niya sobrang lapit daw. Sobrang layo.
Si Aya talaga yung laging nagyaya.
Walking
Napaka-outgoing.
distance ba talaga? Sino yung mabilis malobat pagdating sa ganito?
No doubt.
The entire time you're walking sa zoo, parang, tara, next ano guys?
Si Gwen parang,
Kasi parang, okay
Hindi
na,
naman
tingnan
siya.
na ni Gwen.
Yung inside
Madali
joke
siya
po sa
mapagod.
namin, guys, 2% na lang si Gwen.
May warning na kayo.
si Gwen tinatanong ko siya always, Gwen, ilang percent ka na lang? Negative 100 na lang.
ROI na yung entrance fee ng Zoom.
Oh my
ROI
gosh.
na agad yung
Well,
entrance
at
kasi
least,
pagod na siya.
siguro if it's any comfort, kapag magkakasama kayo, there's like that level of recharge naman siguro. Sana.
Yes, naman po.
Of course. Now, while I do know that you love your fans a lot, and I can imagine how exhausting the tour could have been as well. Syempre, palipat-lipat kayo ng cities, and of course, dire-diretsong performances. How do you guys recharge? Like, mas nakakapag-recharge ba kayo kapag lumalabas? Or are you guys more the type to stay in?
Siguro po kapag may rest day kami, gano'n, mas pinipili, katulad po ng sabi ni Ate Maloy, mas pinipili po namin yung me time or with friends or with family. Pero for now po kasi,
Napakasingkit naman ni
malayo po kami
Stacy.
sa mga family po namin. So
Para siyang si Jenny.
most of the time, nagsha-shopping lang kami. Yun talaga yung pang-recharge po namin. Shopping, church, at kumakain po kami every time na may
Di ko alam kung may
Valentine.
kaplak, parang
Ayun. And syempre yung
napaka-puff
Blooms din po,
nung
nakakapag-
kanyang
pa-recharge po
chick.
every time nakita namin sila.
Of
Ganun.
course.
Siguro,
Go on, girlie, go on.
siguro kaya rin pinipili namin lumabas kahit rest day instead na magpahinga. Kasi parang ilan lang din yung rest day namin sa isang buwan. So parang, pag kasi nakahiga ka lang, parang ang bilis ng oras. So gusto
true.
namin na susulit talaga yung rest day namin.
Productive day pa rin.
That is true, syempre. So dami niyo pang pinupuntahan. Like, sulitin habang nandun na
Yes,
kayo
ganun talaga. Minsan pag yung katawan mo talaga is sanay sa trabaho, sa galaw, sa activity, sa physical activity. Kapag nag-rest day ka, huminto ka, parang mas lalo kang napapagod. At the same time, kapag nasa bahay ka lang, parang ang bilis ng oras, parang matutulog ka lang, tapos na agad yung isang araw. So, ayun, I feel you, Jo. Tapos, ayun, tama rin naman, kasi nasa ibang bansa naman sila, so, sinusulit na lang din talaga nila yung time na nandun sila para ma-maximize and masulit nila yung experience. So, sabi nga ni Gwen, ma-ROI na. So, ayun. Yung interview, napaka-light lang, chill lang, and ang maganda dito, kinikilala nung DJ, parang through that DJ, parang kinikilala natin in deeper level or kung ano yung mga behind the scene dun sa nangyaring world tour nila. So, it's nice kasi hindi lang puro work yung pinag-uusapan, hindi lang puro career ng Bini or yung kung anong balak nila sa career nila, no? So, may personal touch, which is good para mas nailalabas yung talagang totoong sarili nila. Pero alam naman natin na no filter naman yung Bini. Though, syempre, meron pa rin yan. Pero, napaka-authentic. So, yun naman yung nagustuhan natin sa kanila. Or nagustuhan ng mga viewers sa kanila.
Totoo. My gosh. Si Maloy was like, yeah, totoo. True. Now, I am curious as well. Syempre, if you guys go, let's say, to another country, doon kayo sa mga hotel, or let's say wherever you guys are staying in, do you guys do roommates or tag-isa?
Yeah, roommates.
Usually, by twos yung nangyari.
Oo, usually po by twos kami sa room.
By twos. So, like, paano? Like, do
And
you guys
by
have...
age.
By
By
age.
age. Ate Aya, Colette. Ako, Gwen, Mika, Stacy, Joanna, and Sheena.
Pero minsan nagwi-wheel of names din tayo.
Wheel of names.
May
Pag gusto
ruleta pa kayo.
Online.
Normally po talaga nag-wheel of names po kami. Pero since talagang po kami hotel hopping nung
Right.
world tour. Ang hassle 'di ba pag
Tama.
palit-palit.
That
So
is
sabi
true.
namin, okay, for this tour, eto na lang muna para fix na and di na magulo.
Now, this tour was
Kaysin
the span
muna.
of 3 months again. I'm curious, is there something new that you found out about your respective roommates? Na parang, ay, okay, ang bilis pala na ito malubat.
Si Gwen na agad yun.
Nakotsera pala to. Meron ba? Ba't parang meron?
Ano?
One by one po ba to?
One by one.
Sige, open forum natin. Open forum.
Ayan, si Mika daw muna.
Ayusin mo yan, Mika.
Baka-roommate niya si Stacy.
Okay, don't look at your group. Don't look at your group mates. Dito tayo para hindi kayo ma-pressure. Hindi, joke. Go on.
Sino ba roommate ko? Si Ate Colette. Tsaka
By age, si Staku.
si Staku.
Choose me.
Minsan lang,
Oo.
mga 2 beses lang
Pero
siguro tayo
sa,
nandun.
ano yung Pennsylvania.
Okay,
tayo
nagpapalit-palit din naman pala.
Hindi, pero kay, ano ka, by age tayo?
Ba't kasi parang ayaw ni Colette?
Sa New Mexico.
Si Staku, parang I know everything na kasi lagi kami magka-roommate.
Oh, yeah.
Pero mas maayos naman kasama si Staku. Feeling ko we complement
Mas maayos.
each other when we're roommates naman.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, kasi we're chill, but then we make sure we're on time. Parang ako yung taga, okay lang yan. Hindi pa tayo late. Ang nangyari, she kept saying na, hindi, baka late na tayo. Pagbaba
Late.
namin, kami yung pinakauna.
Pinakauna.
So,
Which
ako
is
yung
good.
Okay lang yan.
Just sa ako, malinis.
On the
Malinis
topic
sa kwarto
of
at the
sinong
same time,
pinakamaaga,
pinakamaaga.
sinong pinaka-late. Usually ba, sino yung pinakamaaga sa inyo? Is it usually
I know sasabihin ni Mika si Aya. Kasi sinabi niya na yon sa isang interview na parang interview nila sa isang talk show sa hindi ko matandaan basta sa world tour nila, part ng world tour nila, in-interview sila tapos tinuro agad ni Mika si Aya. So I think tuturo niya pa rin yan kasi parang gigil na gigil siya dun eh. Wow.
Hindi mo pa na-try, no?
Mang Inasal Pork Barbecue. Expertly grilled for that smoky sweet sarap ng juicy lambot. Kaya swabe ang kagat. Bibili na yan. 99 lang.
Ang dami naman. Okay.
Kapag ka may schedule, ay, dito sa lobby. No, I disagree.
Hey!
Ayan na,
Wait
ayan na.
lang, no? Individually, feeling ko hindi kami.
Ikwento mo yung
Pero
nagpapasahan
hindi naman
tayo
tayo
ng may...
Hindi tayo na-late. Oo.
Never late.
Wow. Pero,
Alam mo,
sino
sino
yung
Ayan na.
maagas? Who is the latest? Not necessarily yung
Ay,
late na as
walang
in,
pumansin.
uy, 10:30 ang usapan, ba't parang 10:45 nakarating na kayo? No.
Depende po eh. Pero kasi, siguro recently si Ate Maloy.
Nagbago na si Maloy, hindi na siya maaga.
Maloy.
Akit naman ang pagkakulot ni Maloy. Nagpagupit siya.
Pero gising na siya. Talaga.
Gising na ako maaga.
Kumakanta lang siya habang nagpe-prep. Kaya
Same Maloy,
Pero
same.
maaga talaga ako magising.
Ako rin ganun eh. Pag papasok sa work, ang aga ko maligo, pero natatagalan ako dun sa preparation kasi nga, nagpapatugtog ako ng
It's a thing,
Bini
it's a
songs,
thing.
you know.
Now, well, let's also talk about Shaggy, of course, which you guys performed in kanina. It is, well, you guys have a highly anticipated video release coming to...
Nagtatawanan sila, hindi ko mag-gets kung ano yung pinagtatawanan nila. Wait, balik natin.
Every morning.
You know, it's a thing. It's a thing. Now, well, let's also talk about Shaggy, of course, which you guys performed in kanina. It is, well, you
Nilaglag daw
guys have
nila
a
si
highly
Malay.
anticipated video release coming tomorrow, and I believe there is
Yeah,
also
abangan natin
a
yan
little
bukas,
bit
Blooms.
of a release happening later on. Is this a
No?
preview? Is this a preview of the...
The music
Ah,
video
oo.
po. Yes.
Oh my
So
Dun
parang,
sa-
parang first time natin ginawa na unang i-release yung music sa...
With the
Kumbaga, malaking
88
gap.
Lucky Blooms.
And excited kami dito kasi first time namin matry yung concept na to. Very ano siya eh,
Street
street style.
It
Tapos ang
is.
dami naming nakasama from the dance
Wow.
community. We can say too much kasi baka ma-preempt yung music video.
Of
So
course.
abang
Alam mo, ini-imagine ko, di ba before nauso yung mga movies na merong kantat sayaw na part dun sa movie pag matatapos na. Parang na-imagine ko silang walo na ganon. Tapos ang daming dancer, ang daming tao na nakikisayaw din sa kanila, nakikisabay. Tapos yung may song and dance yun, di ba? Yung mga uso dati na in-incorporate dun sa movie, di ba? So, ang ganda. Tapos yung nasa beach sila, tapos pan-tropica yung sasayawin at kakantahin nila. Wala lang. Kasi parang nakakamiss yung mga ganong concept ng movie na before, napapanood natin doon sa mga comedy movie, di ba? So, tsaka barkada movie, ganon. So, parang bagay na bagay sa Bini na sana magkaroon sila ng ganong concept ng movie or sana magka-movie sila. So, ayun lang.
niyo po yan tonight, 8 p.m. and tomorrow. Ay, hindi, tomorrow 8 p.m., August 8.
Nagulat nga ako when I first heard the track. Because, like, we're coming from the likes of Blink Twice. We're coming from the likes of Secrets, which is very, you know, it's very cutesy, it's very pop. Tapos biglang you guys have, like, a
Yeah.
prettier sound with Shaggy D.
Ibang,
Was this
ibang
always, like,
atake.
the plan? Did you guys want to do, like, this kind of a genre switch? Or, wala lang. It just so happened na dumating din sa inyo.
Well, kami naman po, Bini, we are really open to anything. So we're always down to discover, explore new things. And even if most people, whenever they hear or see us, it's
Tag
like
pa
they
rin si
think of
Aya,
very
oh.
poppy, upbeat songs.
Right.
But like with Shaggy D, it's a very
Pero
calm
bagay
song,
sa
but we
kanya.
like it. And personally, I love dancing to Shaggy D. Parang,
Ang angas.
Speak you truth. It is so fun. Like, we tried dancing to it as well. We
Akala
have
ko
a TikTok ourselves.
pinaka-favorite
and
niya
ang
yung
saya,
Out
like,
of
we
My
were all
Head
over
kasi
the studio
grabe
just
rin yung
It was so
yung
much
vibe
fun.
niya dun eh.
Now, another thing that I've read, and I feel like I need confirmation about this, the album art, or rather the cover art of Shaggy. Maloy, ikaw daw gumawa.
Yeah, the artist Maloy.
yeah.
You did. Come on, have more confidence in yourself, did you? Girl, you
Actually,
Ang cute lang ng host.
Nagre-record kami ng iba pa naming stuff like kunwari mga brand shoots and brand recording.
At the same time-
ginagawa ko yun sa kalagitnaan. Then, I feel like
Kudos to the host kasi nakikipag-usap siya or nag-interview siya with Bini. Nakatingin talaga siya kasi yung ibang interviewer, lalo na kapag hindi sanay or kapag hindi kilala yung mga ini-interview, meron silang cue card na tinitingnan, no? Ito naman, for sure, nag-research itong host na ito at nakikipag-usap talaga siya sa Bini, no? Kasi minsan, may mga nakikita tayo na host na, lalo na pagka mga ganitong radio station, hindi naman sila, minsan, pag hindi nakatapat sa kanila yung camera, yung attention nila, nando sa cue card nila, no? Hindi sila yung tumitingin sa sumasagot or nag-answer dun sa questions. Ito naman is good and nice kasi talagang nakikipag-interact siya dun sa hindi true words pero yung body language niya nakikipag-interact dun sa ini-interview niya. So, which is good, no? Para sa isang host.
Para talaga akong may work. Kasi, as in may revisions din siya, may deadline, may kailangan akong ipasa this time mo. So,
mga mock-ups.
Sobrang tagal ko talaga yung tinrabaho and first time ko matry yung ganong kind of art. So, it's something na na-discover ko sa sarili ko. So, thank you to my management for letting me create the cover art of Shaggy. And it's one for the books, hindi ko yun makakalimutan. Kasi andyan na yun forever. Nasa Spotify na yan.
Yeah, for sure.
So, yun.
Tatak
Thank
malay
you so
na.
much. Thank you, Bloom, sa mga nag-appreciate.
So, yun yung maganda, no? Sa management ng Bini.
So, naranasan mo rin yung, okay, Shaggy cover
Binibigyan
art
sila ng
final,
freedom
Shaggy
to
cover art
incorporate
final,
their
yun
talent
na to.
dun sa mga kanta nila, sa work nila. So,
Ganitong klaseng file.
Oh, yeah.
It's parang,
yung file converter, oh gosh, that is
ganyan. So,
crazy. But you know, nairaos nyo naman, and from what we could see on TikTok, your blooms, and honestly, kahit yung mga casual listeners nyo pa lang, they are loving the track, they are dancing to it, and are really just having a fun time, which I feel is also something that you guys were going for when you released this track. Tama.
Ano ba?
Alright, Shaggy, to all the monsters, by the way, who just tuned in, we are live.
Si Stako
with
ganap
Beanie
na ganap
right
dun sa likod.
now.
Kanina pang
Shaggy,
ngumingiti.
if you're unfamiliar, is a game. It's a game that you would play a lot of
Bakit si Aya, kahit nakaupo lang, ang ganda-ganda niya.
Follow the leader. It's kind of like
Diba?
a round song. And it is something that, well, I played it a lot in my childhood. So I'm curious. I'm sure you guys have played it amongst yourselves as well. Have you tried playing like an actual game of Shaggy amongst yourselves? Na kayo-kayo?
Yes. Na-try po namin, pero pag matagal na po, nakakatawa na siya. Kasi gumagawa na lang legit ng kung ano-anong sayaw. Hihiga na lang. Hindi mo na masusundan po.
Oo.
So,
sobrang funny. Na parang,
ano yung
parang hindi ka masundan.
out of pocket na siguro pose or move?
Naalala ko yan kasi, syempre, 90s baby ako. So, talagang nilalaro siya sa school. Pero yung mga steps, napakasimple lang. Na kayang-kaya mong sundan. Pero ngayon, dahil sa sobrang talino ng mga Pinoy, sa sobrang funny, ginagawa na nila kung ano-ano para mahirapan yung susunod or hindi siya magaya. So, para maging maging funny yung game. So, ayun.
Yung higa ba?
Sino bang kung ano-ano? Si
Si
Stako.
Stako.
Ano ginagawa niya?
Parang ikaw ang nasa spotlight ngayon, na. The mastermind. Usually, sino yung unang nawawala sa rhythm? Or all of you guys are able to properly follow it through it naman?
Nawawala po kami pag may nagpapatawa, wala na po.
Ayun lang.
Wala na po kami sa rhythm. Focus naman. As in, locked in. Pag may premyo po, seryoso po kami dyan.
Oh, wow.
Competitive talaga ang
Sige
Bini
nga,
kapag may premyo.
I feel like you guys are quite competitive when it comes to games.
Parang nung
I feel
naglalaro
like you
sila
guys are
ng
medyo game
Trip
naman.
to Jerusalem.
We're not going to be playing Shaggy, but we are going to be trying out a little game of Oracle later on, which is kind of, I guess, the closest thing we could get to Shaggy on air. So all the monsters tuned in, Oracle, the whole concept of it is like, we get to ask Beanie a question, and they get to answer us. But the catch is, they could only say one word at a time. Tas dapat paduktong-duktong. So for example, may magtanong
Okay,
na...
so yung game na yun is parang hindi pa dugtong-dugtong. Dugtungan talaga siya. So, ang catch lang dun is, each member, kailangan lang magsabi ng isang word. So, parang pag ikaw yung susunod, iisip ka ng word na parang somehow connected dun sa sinabi ng isa.
For example, may
Si
chance
Mika
ba ako sa crush
nag-iisip
ko?
na.
They could go one by one saying, taken na si crush, wag ka
Umasa.
nang umasa. It doesn't have to be 8 words, honestly. But we are opening the text line, not the hotline, but the text line for any questions that you guys have for the girlies. We're going to be playing that in just a bit. But I do also want to ask you guys a little bit of a then and now naman tayo. Syempre, since you guys have just celebrated like your 4th year together as a group, which is again crazy considering it is hard to sustain that much momentum as a group for 4
Nakakangalay
years.
din na
And for
nakaupo sila ng
context,
ganong
It
katagal.
takes college students generally 4 years to graduate. And
Nasanay
ang
na
dami
sanay
pwedeng
silang
mangyari in those 4
nakatayo,
years.
sumasayaw,
So what is
gumagalaw.
the biggest change siguro that you guys underwent looking back and looking
Biggest
now?
change.
Biggest change?
Ay, hindi pa. Excited. Hindi pa.
Akala ni, akala ni Kulat yun na yung game na, biggest change, sasagot na sana siya. So, ano nga ba yung biggest change sa kanila? Well, isa dun yung, syempre, yung career nila, nagbago na talaga, pati yung mga buhay nila. Kung dati napanood natin na nahihirapan sila ultimo sa pagkain, pero ngayon hindi na mangyayari yon. Bukod doon is feeling ko somehow nag-matured sila. Nag-matured, pero hindi ganun ka-matured when it comes to being playful. So, ayun, playful pa rin naman sila. Pagdating sa performance, nag-matured, 'di ba? Faces, syempre, tumatanda na rin sila, nadadagdagan na yung edad, na mas nagiging blooming, nagbo-bloom sila. So, ayun.
That's for the blooms. But yeah, for now, while we wait for the questions, what is probably the biggest change that you guys underwent?
Why Mika is not answering?
Aside sa confidence.
Parang kanina pa siya tahimik.
Siyempre, naging confident tayo, especially
Yeah.
after World Tour, napansin din ng
Mas
boys na
confident.
parang iba yung na-help,
Comfortable kami sa stage.
Siguro aside sa confidence, we've definitely matured po. In terms of,
Ano?
ano ba, we've definitely matured not just as performers but as people, 'di ba? Parang we've learned how to communicate better, how to handle pressure, how to handle our emotions.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's
so,
the most important, no?
Parang,
You know
I
how to
feel
handle
like,
your emotions,
parang
lalo na
mas
sa mga
nag-jive na din talaga kayo.
sa state
As the
nila ngayon,
years
sa
go
trabaho
by,
nila.
friendship
At
together, your sisterhood
yun.
just goes
Sisterhood.
stronger and stronger. But what is one thing naman, sige, the other side of the coin? One thing that you guys promised would never change about Beanie. No matter, let's say, 5 years, 10 years, 15
Yun
years na
lumaki
kayo
yung ulo
magkakasama.
nila.
This
Yun
will
naman yung
never
laging
change.
sinasabi nila. Ayan na, si Mika.
Yeah. And never po lalaki
Yeah.
yung ulo namin.
Oh.
Hindi po talaga
True.
yung mangyayari. Kahit anong sabihin ng mga tao. Parang hindi ko ma-imagine na walang magsasabihan sa amin kung may lumaki ng ulo.
Sabi nga ni Sheena, tanggal na daw sa Bini.
Sasabunutan po kasi ni Sheena pag ano.
Tanggal na daw sa Bini kapag merong lumaki yung ulo.
Tsaka yung love namin for each other. Kasi syempre may mga times talaga na akala nila hindi kami totoo sa isa't isa na parang ang dami na namin pinagdaanan, ilang years na kaming magkakasama, hindi na friendship to eh, ano na to eh, magkakapatid, family
Tama, no?
na to.
Tatapusin natin
So
si
kahit
Joanna.
anong sabihin nila about sa amin, OT1, OT2, OT7 or whatever, di ba? Hindi mangyayari yon. We are OT8 and yeah, they spread negative things about us because they can't handle strong girls siguro.
Yun, tama yung sinabi ni Joanna, no? Talagang ako, in my own opinion, nakikita ako na yung bond nila sobrang deep na parang sinasabi nga nila na kahit anong mangyari, andyan sila para sa isa't isa. Na hindi lang to work eh. Hindi lang to work. Kumbaga, yun nga, pamilya na sila. Nakatulong din siguro kasi yung, alam mo yung, naranasan nila yung hirap ng magkakasama. Naranasan nila yung hirap ng magkakasama and alam nila na yung time na yon, sila yung magkakasama, sila yung nagtutulungan, sila yung nakakaalam nung pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa. Siguro kung ang nangyari sa kanila is parang binuo lang sila basta-basta, walang training, walang mahabang panahon na nagsama sila, walang hirap. Siguro hindi ganito ang mangyayari sa kanila. Siguro yung group na yon mas madaling ma-shake. Kumbaga, konting wash lang, wala na, buwag na. Buti na lang at ganito yung naging resulta sa kanila. Ganito yung pinagdaanan ng Bini. No? So, sila sa mga sarili nila, sure na sure sila na kahit anong mangyari sa kanila, OT8 pa rin sila at nandyan pa rin yung bawat isa para sa kanila. So, hindi nga talaga yan work lang, hindi lang yan sisterhood, hindi lang yan magkakakilala. Kumbaga, sisterhood na yan sila, pamilya na talaga. So, kahit anong mangyari. Kaya naniniwala ako na Bini talaga, magtatagal pa sila. Kung hindi man sila magtatagal, andun pa rin sila. Yung friendship nila, yung sisterhood nila para sa isa't isa, kahit anong mangyari. So, yun. Kakaiyak.
Leader namin. Oh my gosh. Spoken like a true queen. Hello. Well, honestly, it is so nice and so refreshing to see that. Again, it is, how do I say this? It's a bit of a challenge to really get to this point na talaga magkakabond talaga kayo after all of these years.
Tama.
Na hindi kayo nagkakainisan na parang,
Nag-aaway din naman sila.
You guys are still together. Again, this is a sisterhood. And one thing that you guys kept saying then is, hindi lalaki ang ulo nyo. What is one thing that you guys keep thinking of so that you can stay grounded? Despite the fame,
Ang
the
galing din
opportunities, and
magdugtong
everything,
nung
how do you stay grounded?
parang ini-elevate nung
humble beginning.
nung host
Kasi
yung
nagsimula
questions
kami
niya.
talaga sa nasa
Yan
lapag
yung
talaga
sinasabi
kami.
ko.
Hindi namin alam kung may mapapatunayan ba kami. And yung time na ipinaglaban talaga kami ni Direk Laurent and our management, parang yun yung naging wake-up call sa amin na, okay, kailangan natin talagang suklian lahat ng efforts nila, and we know na parang sobrang experimental pa talaga ng group namin, and walang kasiguraduhan, yung uncertainties talaga na magiging okay ba tayo, ang magsasuccess ba tayo, ganun. Pero naniwala kami sa kakayahan namin. We worked
harder
hard and we sacrificed
harder
a lot.
than we think.
I think yun.
Than we thought.
That is honestly very beautiful to hear. Lovely. And it's so nice to see na kahit papaano, you guys try to stay grounded as much as possible. Lovely. Now, we do have a couple of questions flooding in here, some monster text lines. So I think we are ready to try out the Oracle game. But syempre, before we actually try it out on the questions sent by the monsters, by the blooms, how about mag-trial run muna tayo? We did technically talk about this with the girls beforehand. They are familiar with the game. So to all the monsters, again, who are just tuning in, Oracle, it's kind of like a follow, not necessarily a follow the leader game, but we basically ask Beanie a question. It could be, let's say, advice or anything.
Okay.
Magkakajowa ba ako in the future and stuff like that. They will answer, but they can only answer one word at a time. Who are we starting with?
Gwen.
Who are we starting with? Kanino ma...
Ate Colette po.
Okay.
Gwen na lang.
Okay,
Gwen.
sige.
Kasi baka maubusan
Back to front.
So paano pag ganun na lang tayo? Okay, so
Sila na nag-decide.
So from here, we're gonna start from Gwen and we're gonna end with Mika. Is this how we're gonna do it?
Gwen to Joanne.
Gwen to Joanne. Okay, lovely. Sige, mag-trial run muna tayo. Okay? The question is, what should I do to get over a bad day?
Ang gagawin ko ay
Inom.
ng
Tubig.
Humble.
Umagang-umaga, girls, ha? Umagang-umaga
At
pa
si Aya
tayo.
pa ang nakaisip.
Nakakakaba naman yun.
But yes, okay, that's basically how it
Tama
works.
naman
That
talaga
we
eh.
could get into some
Uminom ka.
questions.
Okay lang yun.
Grabe naman, ako din na ano ako doon.
Huh?
Huh? 11:32 in the morning. All right, let's see the question. Okay. So we do have a question sent in from the Super James. Ang tanong niya, tatagal pa ba kami ng jowa ko? I know, nakasalalay sa inyo. Ay,
Grabe naman yung reaction.
Pag ano naman, ang daya nyo eh. Mahirap. Mahalin.
Pero, kaya
Mo. Hawakan.
Mahirap mahalin pero kaya mong hawakan ang leeg.
wait lang, mahirap
Kaya mo hawakan ang leeg.
hawakan ang leeg, like, on a chokehold, I guess. You know what? There you go, the Super James.
Ah,
Love will have you on a chokehold. Ganun na lang siguro. Let's...
magbe-break sila dahil sa
Wait, guys, for fun lang to, guys. Okay. Let's see
Funny.
what other questions we have here. Okay. Mark sent in a question. Papasaba ako sa masters ko.
yeah. Seryoso na daw.
All right.
Feeling ko
Ko.
ay makakapasa
kung
Ibigay mo.
ang best mo.
Best mo.
Ay, sige, isang word ang best mo. Best word lang yun. Best mo is just one word.
One word lang yun, basta siguro.
Pwede yung best.
Okay lang yun, basta siguro.
ang best mo.
Yes,
Pala
her.
2 rounds para mahaba.
Gusto niya i-try ang 2 rounds? Pwede naman. We don't have to limit it to just 8. Pwede naman.
Oo,
Pwede
para
naman.
tuloy-tuloy.
Ang best mo.
2 rounds? Sige, we have one more question. Sige, as much rounds as we want. Kung gusto niyo habaan, go lang. Okay, the question is, how to deal with a situation.
Oh.
Oh
gosh. Mika first.
Wag
Sige,
na, wag na. Masama yan.
Okay, sige, wag na daw.
Hindi, joke lang.
Go, Mix.
Sakali.
Ay! Girl!
Go.
Okay.
Hindi.
Sakali.
Sakaling.
Sakalin.
Wow!
Anong minimiti?
Minimiti is parang dreaming of.
Kaibuturan.
Ano yan?
Sakaling minimithi.
Kaibuturan. Marikit. Mong. Mata.
Waterfalls.
Tigil lang.
Waterfalls will lead the way.
Nagplano na sila.
Ang random ni Stako.
Mata. Between.
Nagniningning.
Nagniningning. Basta nagniningning.
Nagning.
Iyong. Mata.
Dat pala may time limit to. The joke lang.
Mata.
Iyong kapangyarihan.
Ayaw pa rin nila tumigil.
Kapangyarihang. Kapangyarihang ibinabahagi. Nasa isip ko na yung asangre.
Ibinabahagi sa mundo.
Sa
ibuturan.
Sa sangre.
Sinuruan ni Colette.
hindi na tumatapos.
Sangreng. Abisari. Abisala.
Girls, yung host nagsasabi siya kanina na na dapat daw may time limit. So kailangan parang hindi sila matatapos eh. Parang enjoy na enjoy yung girls.
Yeah.
Alam mo si Ate Kulit na lang ang sumagot sa lahat. Eshma.
Ngayon. Okay, ang sagot dyan, yes. Yes.
Ayan, tinutulan ng host.
But oh my gosh, thank you so much to all the monsters who sent those over. Thank you so much for being to Beanie for being so game for this. Nairaos nyo and talaga
Tapos na?
lovely. It was lovely answers. Now, let's get back. I do have a couple more
Okay.
questions pero wala lang, super quick lang. let's talk about the future. Since nag-oracle naman tayo, let's talk about the future. You guys have had an eventful 2025. And of course, nag-world tour kayo and you guys had a couple of releases as
Napaka-girly
well.
talaga ni Mika
And
Lim
as
yan.
much as we would want you to take some time to rest and recover, which we are thankful that
Ang
you guys
ganda
did have that
nung
3-week rest.
Collarbone
Is
niya.
there something
Guys.
planned? Like may nakaplano pa ba?
Ah, Mika Lim.
For this year?
Next year. Bukod sa planado na po yung buhay namin hanggang
Ay,
2030.
so-
marami po kaming i-release this year. May mga
So
release
guys,
po kaming-
sinabi na ni Staku, 'di ba? Planado na daw yung buhay nila until 2030. Ibig sabihin, naka-contract sila until 2030. So mahaba-haba pa yung pagsasamahan ng mga Blooms and ng Bini. So ayun. So marami pa tayong may experience from them, marami pa silang maibabahagi sa atin. So let's support Bini.
songs, of course, both Tagalog and Filipino. Tagalog and English songs. And marami po kayo ng mga performances, music videos, and ano pa ba? Events, fan meets.
And our cosmetic line.
Wow.
Gosh, yes, that is coming.
Parang lahat na yata,
Photo book.
Ayun, photo booth.
The photo journal.
parang lahat na
Yung
yata
parang,
gagawin ng
journey
Bini.
namin lahat from the start. At yung mga unreleased photos.
Most be
of
a member sa Beanie.global.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing. You guys have a lot in store. So Blooms,
Si Gwen parang
maganda kayo,
ano na,
like a lot
parang
of
pagod
things
na
in
pagod na
store
siya.
for you guys right now. It is almost time for us to wrap up the show, but before we let you guys go, do you guys have any messages? Siguro let's start with a message to one another muna sa inyo. What message do you have for each other?
Ay, hindi. To your, next to you.
Next to you,
Okay.
next to you.
Ah, okay. So sino muna? Ako? Thank you sa pagbibigay. Makulit. Thank you sa pagbibigay.
Si Colette na yung ano, yung pinakilig yung sarili. Parang nag-cringe siya doon kasi natawa siya. Siya yung nagsabi ng makulit.
Joy sa Bini, and you do you.
Aww. Bebe, I love you so much and I cannot live without you. I hope you live 100 years. And I hope na matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo because you deserve to be happy, you deserve to love, and you deserve to you deserve
Grabe
it.
yung side profile ni Sheena.
I felt
Para
it.
siyang ano,
Okay.
ang gwapo.
Aww. I'm so hurt. I'm so offended. I'm sorry. I don't care. Mix, thank you
Huh?
so Let me
Wow.
baby.
Don't hold my hand.
Please stop. Hindi ba sa akin tumitingin, baby?
Maggagawa na yan ng tapak ko dyan.
Mix, I thank you so much. You know that we appreciate
Oh,
you
sweet.
so much. You may be silent.
You really are
Deadly.
Ayaw naman.
A silent angel
Grabe yung
and
tawa
our
niya.
silent protector and our silent marshal. So, thank you so much.
Lagi nasa likod.
I love you and you are the prettiest in the room. It depends on if Ate Jo's here, then you're not. Okay, I love
Wow. May kiss pa sa hand.
Thank you. I love you too.
Ay!
Ate Aya.
Kaloka.
I
Dati
hope
napanood ko.
that you are in a good state now. I'm happy.
She's not.
Ang OA nito. I hope that you're happy where you are now, and I hope that if you're not, you find that clarity and state of contentment.
I am
Yeah.
contented with myself.
And I love you.
Ayan ngayon.
Balik natin.
Hope that you are in a good state
Oh, wait.
now. I'm happy.
Silent angel and our silent
Kahit yung mga girls
and
kinilig.
our silent marshal. So, thank you so much, Mix. I love you and you are the prettiest in the room. It depends on If Ate Jo's here,
You're not.
you're not. Okay, I love you. Mwah.
Thank you. I love you too.
May kaya ka ba?
Ayan. I hope that you are in a good state now. I'm happy.
She's not.
Ang OA nito. I hope that you're happy where you are now, and I hope that if you're not, you find that clarity and state of contentment.
Aw, I am
Yeah.
contented with myself.
And I love you.
Grabe. Nakita mo yung reaction ni Aya. Diba, pati mga girls, nilalaro lang talaga nila eh. Pinagtitripan lagi nila si Mika. Kasi, syempre, alam naman natin na lagi silang tinutokso ng girls. At the same time, napakabihira ni Mika na mag-show ng affection or ganun nga. Kasi nga nonchalant siya or hindi niya love language yun eh. Ang love language niya is act of service. Kaya, lahat sila kinikilig kapag nagbibigay ng compliment or yung mga words na ganun si Mika Lim. So, ayun. At the same time, kasi syempre, as a Mikaya, actually, mga girls, tinutokso nila eh, no? Napaka-genuine lang or basta ang lakas ng chemistry nila. So, sa mga nakakapanood, kayo na lang din magsabi.
Edit na yan, ang Bloom.
Edits na daw ng Bloom kasi alam na.
Okay, then.
Pero guys, ang grabe yung masabi ko lang, grabe yung mga editor ng Mikaya. So sobrang bilis nila, sobrang dami. Naka 4 billion views na sila sa TikTok. Grabe yung effort, grabe yung pagmamahal, grabe yung time na binibigay nila na support doon sa dalawa, kay Mika and Aya. So, ano lang talaga, ang bibilis nila mag-edit. So, for sure, nung lumabas to, ang dami ng edits agad. Kunwari, dead mo lang si Mika lang, pero tumawa rin naman.
Yung video eh. Oh.
Tapos na yung live.
Tapos na yung live kasi tapos na yung Mikaya.
Oh.
Nakaharang si, ang cute. Para pinapakita ni Sheena yung, niya, yung dimple niya. Ayasi.
Hi, Ayasi. Ayasi. Oh.
Wait, to Stacy, you're very kika and you bring so much light to the
I
group.
know that.
Because you're the spotlight. Kasi you're sumaputi. Hindi. Pero
May
you bring
ring
so
light.
much joy, so continue being that.
Yung na-amaze lang ako sa ang ganda ng color ni Aya kahit nag-tan siya dahil sa kaka-beach niya, kaka-travel niya. Yung pagka-tan niya, parang hindi siya yung sunog. Tan lang talaga siya pero hindi siya sunog. Tsaka ang ganda nung nung kulay. Grabe. Maganda ka lang lahat pa nagko-compliment sa'yo, no?
Ayasi. Oh.
Wait, to Stacy, you're very kika and you bring so much light to the group.
I know that.
Because you're the spotlight. Kasi you're sumaputi.
Maputi.
Hindi. Pero you bring so much joy, so continue being that.
I love you.
I love you.
Hello?
Iwan tahimik.
Wala kaming smart.
Akit
Mikaya talaga.
ni Sheena.
Talaga yung nagpapakilig. Anyway, ito talaga my smart.
Si Maloy.
So, pwedeng tanggalin mo yung jacket mo.
Paalis ni si Maloy yan.
Jo, you're so pretty today. Ayun, I just want to tell you na you are heard. You are
Seen.
you are seen. You are enough and you're valid and maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Ballad. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo and kasama na kami ng girls. Kahit na lagi ka naming inaasar, binubuli. Alam mo naman na ikaw ang happiness namin. You're our sunshine. And ayun, we love you, Jo.
You're our sunshine.
Ikaw,
Okay, alis naman si Colette.
Okay na, Josie?
Okay na.
Gwenny!
Si Gwenny para yun doon sa Ben 10.
Meron Jo Gwen na mga dalawa. Si Ate Mel.
Gwena.
Hi, Bebe! Ewan ko, parang feeling ko yung, aside from Bebe, parang softness yung heart ko pagdating sa'yo. And thank you for always showing up. Kahit 2% ka na lang. Ayun, super na-appreciate namin. And tama,
Parang si
buti
Gwen,
na bring up
parang
kanina ni Bebe
maiiyak
yung
na siya.
sa Cleveland. Kasi talagang tumatak din sa
Or
akin.
parang
hinintay
ganun
mo
lang.
talaga kami sa labas. Yung mga ganong ways mo, di ba?
Pero
Doon
parang,
mo pinapafeel sa amin yung
na-overwhelm
love mo
siya
kahit
na
ikaw,
iiyak siya.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for appreciating
Bebe.
me.
Ay, tapos na.
Okay.
Hala, may coach. May coach.
May ganap. Coaching.
Ay, tinuruan.
Hello, may ganaps pa.
Oh, ito naman para to sa wait lang, para to sa apat na Gwyneth.
Gwyneth. Ha?
Si Ate Mel.
Gwyneth, tama. Gwen tsaka si Colette.
Ate Colette,
Gwyneth
thank you
ba o
for
Gwyneth?
being such a good ate.
Thank you sa pagbili ng TV mo.
Okay, lagi kong kakampi to si Ate Colette. Kahit anong gawin ko, kinakampihan niya ako. Lagi akong tama sa paningin niya. Ayun.
Grabe talaga yung
thank you
pagkaate ni Colette sa kanila.
longer patience
Ni Sheena.
Iba na talaga. Congratulations! Iba, palakpakan naman natin si Ate Colette.
Uy, show ko pala to. Happy birthday to me.
Dahil dyan,
Colette, what's this?
Yes, thank you. We love you.
Next naman, Colette to Ate Mel.
Tapos na!
Isa pa.
Isang round pa ulit.
Parang masyado kayo natuwa, guys.
Well, that was very, very sweet, and I'm sure your blooms would really enjoy that as much as you guys did. Now, it is almost time for us to wrap up, but we actually have a bit of a surprise for
Wow.
you girlies. Yes. So,
I told you guys.
because back in December, we had this thing called the Monster Music Awards. It's a yearly thing that we do to celebrate OPM's finest. It's our way to give recognition to our local artists' creativity, originality, passion, and dedication to your craft. And of course, Beanie, you guys are no exception there. So today we are handing out some of the biggest awards to our special guests, to Joe, to Malloy, to Aya, to Mika, to Stacy, to Sheena, to Colette, and to Gwen. The recipients, Beanie, P-Pop Artist of the Year and OPM Artist of the Year.
Wow.
Okay, teka lang. I'm just gonna give the
Deserve.
girlies these awards, or I will give these in a bit, but these are yours. These are 2 awards. Just goes to show how amazing your impact has been. Hold on, actually, I'm gonna give it to them right now. Here we go. Sorry, wala akong mic, but here you go, girlies. Thank you so much. Okay lang, I'm just gonna, there you go. The Monster Music Awards. Sino yung usually na Ay, kahit sino po. Balance mo tong dalawa.
Leader na si yung cheetah.
Si Cheetah. Loko talaga si Sheena. Yung leader and yung
You
cheetah.
guys have had a big 2024, and of
Natawa
course,
si
2025 is
si
going
Staku.
to be bigger for you guys. Hi, I'm here now. So thank you so much for, of course, bringing recognition
Ang
to
sexy ni
OPM
Aya.
here, to P-pop. It is absolutely amazing what you guys do. So here you go, the Monster Music Award. Kung meron din kayong message to all of the monsters, to all of the blooms tuned in right now.
2, 3.
Hi, Blooms. Thank you so much and monsters to all the monsters out there. Thank you for your support, and we will always do our best, keep improving on our craft, and ayun, sana nandyan lang kayo palagi for us. Thank you.
We miss you, Bloom. See you sa next ganap namin. We miss you.
See you later.
Congratulations, Beanie! Thank you so much as well for gracing the Monster with your presence. The 2024 Monster Music Awards, OPM Artist of the Year, and OPM P-Pop Artist of the Year. Keep raising and waving our flag. Unfortunately, that is all of the time that we have with the girlies. That wraps up our Monster exclusive interview with Beanie Girls. Thank you so much for joining us here on the show today. I know it is kind of early, so thank you so much for being game, for bringing the energy, for singing along to Huntrix as well. Thank you so much for joining us here on the show, and we hope to have you guys back real soon.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. Until then, it's been Aubrey of the Deep Dish, only here on Manila's hottest Monster, RX 93.1. Manila's hot.
So yan guys, parang ang bilis pero ilang minutes yun, parang 40 minutes yata, no? So, ang saya lang ng interview, light lang, napaka gaan lang, and yun nga, parang mas lumabas lang talaga yung Beanie na kilala natin doon sa interview. Chill lang, wala masyadong kailangan problemahin doon sa mga tanong or complicated, hindi naman. So, yun. So, ayun guys, I hope nakasabay kayo sa video natin, reaction video, kahit sobrang haba nito. Hindi ko alam kung hahatiin ko siya into 2 parts kasi masyadong 1 oras na ako nandito. So, ayun. Thank you so much for watching and see you again